Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here and welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a haircut transformation challenge. She wanted a bob. You can see how long her hair is. I have actually never straightened her hair or cut it. I've only been doing crochets on her since her very first appointment. And okay, a bad thing about me, I do not save numbers. Doesn't matter if you're a client, a sibling, a family member, a friend. I don't save numbers because people change their numbers too much, and then next thing you know, I got a bunch of different numbers in my phone, and I don't delete old phone numbers because I don't delete stuff, child. Anywho, so someone was texting me and they were showing me like haircuts that they wanted, and I was just talking to them about that. I had no idea it was her. So when she came in, well, first of all, she booked a cut. I'm like, oh, she must just be getting a trim, cool. And when she came in, she's like, no, I want the bob. And I said, oh my God, I did not know you were coming yesterday to chop your hair off. So yeah. So we are doing a bob. Bob is one of my favorite haircuts. I love them so much. And it just looks good. Like, bobs just always look good. And I feel like it's low maintenance. It depends on how short you get it. She got it pretty short. Like, I was shocked that she wanted it so short. And surprisingly enough, her sister came in sometime later, which I've done her sister hair a million times. Her sister was actually my client first, and then she referred her to me. She actually got a bob cut too, but she got a blunt cut bob. And then she came back and got a cut again. I said, you get a cut again? You're not gonna let it grow out, huh? But her video will be coming soon. So anywho, back to this one. I love a bob. It always looks good. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much, child. This is halfway through the video. I guess I was talking too much. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and press it first, then I'm gonna cut it, then I'm going to curl it. So you guys just stay tuned. Thank you for watching.